The use of eye pillows at the end of a yoga class is a small yet effective way to leave a lasting impression on your students. The setup can take no time at all prior to the beginning of your class. Arrive early to gather the appropriate amount of eye pillows for each student. Place a tissue on top of each pillow to provide a barrier between the eye pillow and your students' eyes. As students come in, you can place the eye pillow at the back of their mat, or this can be done prior to Shavasana. When the clients have settled in, you can offer to place the eye pillow on them, or they can do it themselves. If you do not see a student place the eye pillow over their eyes, you can do this for them. Gently lay the eye pillow across their eyes and offer a gentle pressure on the eyelids. After, you can do a shoulder press or any further adjustments you'd like to offer. Now, witness as your students fully relax and let go in this final resting posture.